Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. Also showing solidarity with victims of injustice by amplifying their voices and sharing their stories. Curious about how cultural diversity can drive positive change? Stay with us till the end to see how embracing different cultures sparks dialogue and fuels development worldwide. Now today's celebration, World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development theme, embracing diversity to build a united future. On this World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development, we celebrate the richness of the diverse cultures that make up our global community. This day serves as a reminder that cultural diversity is not something to be feared, but rather something to be embraced and celebrated. The world's cultural heritage is a cornerstone of who we are as individuals and communities, and it contributes to the social, economic, and political development of nations. When we engage in dialogue and promote understanding across cultures, we build bridges that foster peace, cooperation, and sustainable development. This day encourages us to celebrate our differences, promote respect, and embrace the beauty of diversity, strengthening the fabric of society and contributing to global harmony. The importance of cultural diversity in society and nation building. Cultural diversity plays a pivotal role in shaping societies and nations. By embracing different cultures, we open the doors to new ideas, perspectives, and experiences that enrich our lives. This diversity fosters creativity and innovation, which are key drivers of progress in education, business, science, and technology. Additionally, cultural dialogue allows us to address issues like discrimination, inequality, and intolerance, leading to more inclusive and just societies. As nations continue to grow and evolve, the recognition and respect of cultural diversity will be instrumental in achieving peace and sustainable development. By promoting dialogue and understanding, we help lay the foundation for stronger communities and a more united world. Just a quick break. Please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get updates on upcoming events. Subscription is free. Welcome back. Testimonies of Impact: How Cultural Diversity and Dialogue Have Transformed Lives. Testimony 1, Amina, a community leader who promotes cultural exchange. Through cultural exchange programs, I've seen firsthand how people from different backgrounds can come together to learn from each other. These programs have not only strengthened our community but have also opened the minds of young people to the beauty of diversity. By embracing other cultures, we've been able to create a space where respect and understanding flourish. Testimony 2, Marco, a business owner who celebrates cultural diversity in the workplace. As a business owner, I've made it a priority to hire employees from diverse backgrounds. Having a multicultural workforce has been a huge advantage. Different perspectives lead to innovative solutions and a more dynamic work environment. Celebrating cultural diversity has not only enhanced our business practices but has also created a more welcoming and inclusive atmosphere where every employee feels valued. The diversity within our team has been a key factor in our success. Thank you to the unsung heroes of cultural diversity. We owe a great deal of gratitude to the individuals and organizations working to promote cultural diversity and dialogue in communities around the world. Your dedication to building bridges of understanding, breaking down stereotypes, and fostering unity in diversity is invaluable. Thank you for your commitment to a more harmonious and inclusive world. For those yet to engage with cultural diversity, join the movement. Whether you're an individual, a business, or an institution, there are countless ways to get involved. Attend cultural festivals, support multicultural initiatives, or start meaningful conversations with people from different backgrounds. By fostering dialogue and understanding, you contribute to a society where everyone's culture is respected and celebrated. Let's work together to build a world that values diversity, unity, and peace for all. Happy World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development. May we continue to promote understanding, respect, and cooperation, ensuring that our shared future is built on the foundations of diversity and dialogue. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes of cultural diversity for dialogue and development. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbe Terei. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next, the 23rd of May